This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Adriana Woodard. Beautiful end-unit condo on a cul-de-sac. Located in the heart of Greenbrier. Open floor plan, family room with gas fireplace and kitchen integrated to the dining room. Downstairs half bath. 2 spacious full suites and bonus room to be used as office, playroom, walk-in closet or third bedroom. Condo amenities include ground maintenance, water, sewer, trash pickup, clubhouse and pool services. Centrally located with easy access to beaches, interstate, shopping, restaurants, and military bases. To be sold and enjoyed as is. For more information, review the details below.